So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can get voice chat on Roblox. You may have watched many tutorials on YouTube, but none of them actually worked. So this is going to be the only tutorial which will help you. So let's directly dive into it. So first of all, you have to go to roblox.com, and after that you have to tap on the settings gear available at the top right corner of the screen, and here you get an option settings at the top of this list. So you have to tap on settings, and after that, when this settings menu appears up, you have to add some details here. You have to add your email address if you have not added it yet. So first of all, let's start with email. So let's click on add email, and here you have to provide the email address which is associated with you, and simply type in the email address in this box and click on this add email button. Then a verification mail will be sent to your email address. From here in this mail, you have to click on this verify email and your Roblox email will be verified. And there you go, we are done with the very first step. After that, you can go back and you can refresh this page, and this email address verification will be done. And here you can see a verified badge next to the email address. The second step is the verification of your phone number. If Roblox is asking for your phone number here under the email address or above it, you have to enter your phone number. A code will be sent to you via SMS. You have to enter that code here, and then your phone number will be verified. But if you do not have a phone number or you don't see the phone number option here, then you have to go with the second option, which is verify my age. You have to verify your age using your ID. You have to either verify your phone number, email address, or your age verification. So for verifying your age, you have to simply click on this button right here. And here, before starting the age verification, you can see the details here. Have your valid government issued ID ready, and make sure that you are sitting in a room where lighting is absolutely correct, and also be prepared to take a selfie and photos of your ID. And after that, click on this begin verifying. And next, the list of whole world countries will appear up. From here, you have to select the country you are living in, and after that, press this select button. Now here you have two options, whether you can give your national ID or your passport. Let's give with national ID, and here if you are on laptop, you can click on this button right here, which is continue on another device. After that, you have to open up your camera and scan this QR code on this website which appears up. Here you have to tap on this camera icon. Your camera will be opened, and from there you have to hover your camera towards the national ID. You have to scan the front and back, both sides of it. Now after verifying your ID, you'll have to come to privacy and content restrictions, and after that you have to go to communication. You'll get a kind of microphone or voice chat option under this camera input, and from there you can turn on your voice chat. I have not verified my ID yet, that's why I'm not getting it, but this is the only way. Whether you have to verify your ID, otherwise you have to verify your phone number. There are tutorials out there on YouTube. You can watch any of them to verify your phone number, and after verifying it, you will get that option in this communication section. So that's how you turn on your voice chat in Roblox. Thank you so much.